So this is an app. Hello everyone. This is an app that help you to determine the equation of a straight line. You'll be given 2 points to determine the equation of a straight line. Just put the points that is given, then press enter. So these are some of the available app that you, if you want them, can just WhatsApp on here on this WhatsApp. Just press it and then it will take you there. And then if you want more video like this, you can press here, take you there. And then if you want to watch how to use the app, you press here. And then let's get started. So you just put the coordinate that will be given from you, depend on the alphabet, but this is how it look like. So your A is this one here, your B is this one here, and then your D, E, like that. And then let's say for instance we are given -2, 1, 2, here let's say it's 3. Then these are the coordinates that you'll see from here. And then so here we are doing tutorial, exceptional tutorial service, and then from grade 10 to grade 12, grade 8 to 10, grade 4 to 7. You can see the subject, and then these are the location that we are looking at. This is the address and a contact number, email address, if you want more service like this, depending on the price and the location where you're at. So let's press on this button to continue this straight line. So you press here because you already put the coordinate, so the coordinate will appear as you press here. This is the coordinate that you have inserted from there. And then to determine the equation of a straight line, we're going to use this equation y plus c. And then you're going to substitute this point on this equation, then solving for equation 1, and then you're going to use the next point to determine equation 2. This is equation 2, and then from there you're going to put them together, equation 1 and equation 2 here, and then arrange like terms. Solve for gradient. M is a gradient. This is a gradient. And then the straight line. So this is the equation. So if you want to see the gradient, it will highlight for you if you press here 4 times. So it's highlighted. If you want to see the coordinate, if you press 4 times here, it will highlight it for you, the coordinate, the final equation that you are looking for. This is the equation, and then the y-axis, which is c. This is the y-axis, this y-axis represented by c. So this is how it works. Then for more app like this, you can WhatsApp and services, email, call as well. That's it.